Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's stereo speakers on the Samsung Galaxy A73. To do this, we'll need to look for all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is right here. That's a phone call speaker. Another one is at the bottom, which is the main speaker, and that's basically all of them. Now, to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try it out. So clearly sound was coming from both of the speakers, and that means this one does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.